We made it to Hangout.
It's more power too. Like I first learned to do it, I think we're just
What? You ever have somebody like staring at you like this when you're eating? Can I help you? You have something you want to say? No. Have you ever almost eaten the paper? Does it ever happen to you? Definitely.
I can't wait for you.
Get 6, please. Get 6.
Oh. Yeah. Are you eating them? Yeah. I said if you put them in front of me, I'm going to eat them. I have a fry addiction.
That was a crazy experience.
So she ordered me some.
Yeah, because you know what? Even if she said no, dude, and if we would have gotten one, I bet my bottom dollar that she would have hollered and ate some of mine.
I wouldn't.
Oh, God, please.
I wouldn't. We have like tons of videos of me just ordering this. But
Pull up the archive. Let me know. Comment below if you've ever seen Andrew eat my fries.
I have eaten them before.
Guess 12, please. Guess 12.
I'm not denying that. I'm just saying there's plenty of times where I don't.
What's that line you say? Which mine is mine, which yours is mine?
Guess 13.
Dude, last time I got those onions, it was too much for me, bro. They were like, remember? They put so many in my burger last time?
I love it. But yeah. You have to be grilled like just right.
Guess 13, please. Guess 13.
A little bit of this sauce. A little bit of this sauce. A little bit of lemon. I'm so proud of you for putting lemon on it now. It's so good, huh?
So good.
It's perfect every time. I cannot believe places like
Guess 14, please. Guess 14.
I don't think I really ate In-N-Out my childhood, and I always go back to this memory. You know the marketplace? I guess maybe I haven't been there that much. There's El Pollo Loco right next to In-N-Out. Do you know that? And my mom really liked El Pollo Loco when I was young, so we'd always be like at El Pollo Loco eating, and I'd be like looking at In-N-Out like from a distance and like seeing all these people there and like wondering what that's all about.
In-N-Out was like a mysterious place to you? Was it giving cult vibes?
I don't know, I was like young, like 5, you know? It was giving like interesting. It was giving like,
I'm like, why am I hearing music?
what is it?
Something else.
Guess 15 and 16, please. Guess 15, please. Guess 15, please. Guess 15.
Can I turn my quick?
It was a long,
Dang, we're so good on time.
long day.
Yeah, we did a lot today, huh, Jody? We're like still recovering from our workout. We had a good workout though. Johnny's right. You're right with the time management. I'm off, huh?
Oh yeah, you did. And we'll export on this. So say Paul makes it on accuracy.
the ketchup.
Today I was a little off because I had that appointment and it took like 2.5 hours.
What did you say though?
My time management was off today.
Yeah, but shout out to the place you got your appointment done. Yeah, your job.
California Cosmetics.
What's the thing that did your job?
In Newport.
It's provided and then
Not botched. We had a whole talk about that. It's pretty funny. Not botched. You should start a show called Not Botched.
what's next?
Alina didn't know what botched was.
I don't know.
And she thought that the show was based on people who go to the clinic to get botched.
I didn't know. I got it that like they were going to get good looking, but now when you're talking about like bad looking, that's confusing. Like that's like are they going and that's happening to them, or like what's going on? But they're going to fix the problem, huh? I can't get over what happened at that California trip. You want to talk about it?
You want to talk about it?
I mean, it was just crazy, you guys. Like, what do you guys think about? I don't even like going into McDonald's and having a kiosk. But like, Lonnie likes ordering from the kiosk, huh?
I've never heard her thoughts about it. Yes, I'm gonna go with yes. She doesn't complain about it, so she must like it.
You know we're old?
Huh?
Does that mean we're old? Is it like too much for us?
No. That's not what that means.
There's like 60 restaurants.
I don't mind ordering from the kiosk. That wasn't what gave me the anxiety. It was the fact that there were 60 restaurants on this one kiosk. I got lost.
There's so many choices.
We didn't know that like we were walking into that. We thought it was just gonna be like one place like that we can probably sit down at. There was no seating area. That I didn't even think about that. And he was like, where are we gonna sit? I was like, I was so overwhelmed, like I didn't even realize like we can't sit anywhere, that there was not a single chair. So like now that I'm prepared, I could be like, all right, I gotta look up some menus, take some time, you know, what am I feeling, what's the vibe, and then I have to go pick it up and take it somewhere to eat. But don't have me figuring out all this stuff right after I get all this Botox done. We like blacked out.
I don't know what I would have ordered like a $20 burger, which probably would have been really bomb. But then I was like, if Andrew wanted In-N-Out originally, it was me that wanted to be fancy today. Like I wanted to be, I was like in the office at this fucking cosmetic place on Yelp for like, you didn't know that? I was like on Yelp for like an hour looking for somewhere.
And it didn't mention that it was like part of a co-op, like a large one.
I don't know if I read the reviews for Goop, but I read the reviews for Green Tomato.
And I know what you're probably thinking. You're probably thinking, oh, it's like a food mall. No, it was not like a food mall.
It was like a hallway.
It was like one hallway that was probably just a few 100 feet long. I don't know how to measure stuff like that, but 4 little counters and computers, and that's all you see.
The kitchens.
No, but you can't physically see anybody really cooking. You can't see like the food laid
Like,
out.
talking, like, in front?
I don't know, but my point is at food malls, they will have like separate menus at each counter. They'll have like little like images
like
of
where they have
stuff.
the chicken place?
I don't-
Mall? You like the Disney Bird? Is it like a food court?
No, that's the mall.
Oh, okay.
There are actual like food places, like a food mall that's just food. But even that, like even that I can handle. But what we walked into was like not that. I don't, Alina's getting extremely lost, even talking about it. So, thank you for listening.